Good morning, dear children, to Piana Mercy e-learning classes. Today, we are going to continue with our activity number 3 of chapter We Can Invent, that is related to Dr. Invention. Read the poem again. What did Dr. Invention invent? Read the definition of the invent. First one, to make, design or think of a new type of thing. Example, Alexander Graham Bell invented the telephone in 1876. The telephone is an example of an invention. Alexander Graham Bell was an inventor. In 1876, when Alexander Graham Bell invented the telephone, no telephones existed in the world. If Dr. Invention is an inventor working in the world today, why does the poet need to want Dr. Invention? Do not confuse the meaning of the word invention with the word discover. So what is discover here? To find a new place, thing or fact that was unknown before. Example, Marie Curie won a Nobel Prize for her discovery of radium and polonium. So children, what is the difference between something that is invented and something that is discovered? Explain by giving the examples. What does Dr. Invention write in his books? What else do you imagine might be in the Dr. Invention books? Name as many things as you that Dr. Invention might be planning to invent. Your list of inventions will help you with the next activity. So children, here it is given. First one is doctor, second invention, third invented. That helped people. He also invented that. This is the rhyme with this one which we have already done in the activity number 2. So teach your poem to another pair of students, then add your poems together. If the beat and rhyme are the same, your poems will work together and well together, right? Share with other students in the class. Read and listen to all the new poems invented by your classmates. So children, here you can see what is the difference between something that is invented and something that is discovered. So invention implies creating something which didn't previously exist. Discovery implies finding something which no one had found before. So you could have invented a telescope. If you lived before, it's invented. You could use a telescope and discover an object which no one had noticed before. An invention is a kind of something you made and found and will really make a difference to the world. That is, for example, it is given in the activity itself. Alexander Graham Bell invented telephone in 1876. So what is discovery? Discovery is finding something it is already existed but nobody knew about it. For example, you can see Newton discovered the law of gravity. So children, this is activity number 3. This you have to read it out and understand, and it is related to activity number 1, that is Dr. Invention. Hope you like this video. Thank you children. Stay home, stay safe.